Hello everyone, so today I am back with another squishy tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute little starfish squishy. And this is also a collab with Squishin Everythin, and for her video she made a summer squishy commercial, which I think is such a clever idea, so you should definitely go and watch her video after you've finished watching my video. And also please subscribe to her channel, I will link them both in the description below. And thank you so much Squishin Everythin for collaborating with me. So I really hope you enjoy, and let's just get started. So first I started off by tracing the template onto the foam. And you can make it as big or as small as you want. And you can easily find this template just by searching up starfish template onto Google. So next you want to start cutting this out. So here is what it looks like so far. And you basically just want to just keep cutting out the shape and making straight cuts like so, just all the way around. So that it looks kind of the same on both sides. So now on to the next step. So next what you want to do is you want to start rounding off the squishy. So what you want to do is you just want to start by just snipping away some of the foam so that it is not too thick, but make sure that all the legs are the same height. And then you just want to start rounding off the shape by just making smaller cuts like so. So I'm just going to finish that. So here is what the final shape turned out to look like. And like I said, I did end up making it a little bit different because I wasn't happy with how it looked originally. And I basically just kept rounding off the legs or the arms until I was completely happy with the shape. So now we can finally start painting it. So next what I did was I painted the starfish orange, and I just mixed some of this orange paint with some of this yellow paint, since I wanted it to be a little bit more of a lighter orange colour. But you can of course do whatever colour you want for yours. And then for the other side I just mixed some red paint in with the orange colour, and I just painted 5 lines in the centre of the starfish. And again, you can use whatever colour you want for that. So now on to the final step. So now it's up to you what you want to do for the front. What I did was I just painted on a cute face using my black and white puffy paint. And then using my white puffy paint, I've just painted on 3 dots on each one of the arms. And again, you can do whatever design you want for the front, and you can just use images of starfish on Google as reference. So now you just want to let this dry, and then your squishy will be finished. So here it is once it is all dry. And I think it turned out pretty good. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but I did mess up a little bit on the face, since there is a few smudges here which I tried to cover up with more orange paint. But I still think it looks pretty good. I probably could have made the eyes a little bit smaller, but that's fine. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, please feel free to request more squishy tutorials or video ideas you'd like me to do in the comments below. And also again, please don't forget to go and watch Squishin Everythin's video, and also please subscribe to her channel. Again, I will link those in the description as well. So, yep, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.